my queen on Sunday, the 8th of August, after Hurricane Irene. In the distance, you can see Manhattan. Not too much damage around. Silent subway station. All mass transit is shut down. You'll ever see or hear this. No train. This is normally the 7 train. Another view of Manhattan. The clouds. Right now it's kind of windy. By the trees. Pretty strong gusts. I think this first was last night. And for one, they were right between midnight and 3. Again, silent subway station in New York City. You don't see it ever. No trains. Maybe back by Tuesday. Alright, I'm across the street in just a second. This is an entry to my YouTube channel. Hope you enjoy it. Those of you who don't live here. Enjoy the video. All in all, the food is prepared. So we'll be waiting out across the street. Flights are taking a little bit longer. Again, this is Woodside, Queens, right outside of Albany, right outside one of these. Very windy. I don't know what these gusts are, but I'd say it's good for you. So you can hear it. Actually, the camera. Here. Chrysler building. Video on my YouTube channel. What you think about it? Sign it out. Peace. I gotta keep saying silent subway station in New York City.